Hey YouTube, this is Don from KP Special Ops, and this video is going to be a shout out to Airsoft League Zero and Airsoft Planet. Links will be in the description right below, so go check them out. They have awesome videos. Airsoft League does many giveaways. He has great reviews. He has unboxings up, and he has this video up of a giveaway. His first giveaway, he didn't reach his subscribers the amount that he wanted to give away the items, so he's doing another one, and he's giving away revision goggles, guys. Those are nice goggles. So go check him out. Go sub to him. Once he reaches 80 subscribers, he's gonna give them away, and it's a really good giveaway. Airsoft Planet, he has awesome videos too. He has word action, reviews, unboxings. He does shoutouts too, so if you guys need anything from him, go talk to him about that. They both have really cool videos, guys, so I just want you to check them out. Go subscribe to them, help out both of them. They really need some help right now. And subscribe to us, help out all of us. It'll be a good day. Alright, guys, thanks. This is KP Special Ops signing off.